Derek with Tomazin Goff Realty here in beautiful Steep Falls, Maine. We're here at our latest listing, 113 Nature's Way. We're in a quiet community in the midst of the Steep Falls management area. You'll often see deer wandering right across your yard. We're only about 5 miles from the Standish residents only beach and Sebago Lake. The boat launch is right there too. And I'll show you at the end of the video, the Mountain Division Trail. Before we go inside, let me tell you, this home was built in 2016 and it's already been inspected, including a home inspection and a septic inspection. Come on, you're gonna love it. Let's go take a tour inside. My favorite part about this home, other than being so close to the beach and the lake, is you're just a 7-minute drive to the Mountain Division Trail where we are now. I'm Derek with Tomazin Goff Realty. For more information, visit the website below, and I'll see you at the next one.